Hello and welcome to today's math lesson. So first of all guys, can we all turn to wave and say a big hello to our friends on camera? Hello. Hello. And we'll begin by doing our meditation sequence. So I will sit down, take 2 fingers, find our heart center, left hand on our lap and close our eyes. And when you're ready guys, you can open your eyes and come back to the room. Excellent. And next we'll do our stretch sequence. So let's stand up, push in our chairs. And we'll begin by stretching up high to the sky. High as we can. And then let's go down low and touch our toes. Now, let's go back up high, guys. But this time, can we go tippy toe high? And while we're there, let's have a wave. Excellent. And then let's go down and touch our toes. Stand up straight and shake it out. Arms and legs, shake it out. Shake it out. Excellent, guys. Now, let's take our right hand and touch our left foot. Left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Final couple now. Right foot, right hand, left foot. Left hand, right foot. Excellent, guys. And stands up on another shake. And to finish, we will do 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So who can tell me what we've been learning about in math class recently?
Combined operations.
Perfect. Combined operations. So let's begin by spelling and writing that phrase on the board. C-O-M-B-I-N-E-D. Combined operations. O, P, E, R, A, T, I, O, N, S. So all together, guys, combined operations. And we've now reached the end of our combined operations section. Today, what we're going to be having now is a review lesson. Yes, so let's spell that word together on the board. Review, R, E, V, I, E, W. Combined operations, review. So we'll begin this review lesson by thinking back at some of the mathematical symbols that we've been using with combined operations. Who can think of any mathematical symbols we've been using, guys? Multiplication. Excellent. So I will draw a multiplication sign here. And then we'll spell multiplication together. M-U-L-T-I. Multi, and then plication, P-L-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. So all together, guys, multiplication. Excellent. Any more ideas? That's one symbol. Subtract or subtraction. Okay, so next let's draw the subtraction symbol. And it's like a straight horizontal line. Subtraction, S-U-B-T-R-A-C-T-I-O-N. Subtraction. Multiplication. And another one? Division. Yes. It looks very similar to the subtraction symbol, except it has one dot above and one dot below. So, how do we spell division, guys? I-V-I-S-I-O-N. So far we have multiplication, subtraction, division, and then, any more? Addition, yes, we need addition too. A, D, D, I, T, I, O, N. And we have one more symbol. What's equals? Well remembered, we need an equal symbol if we're going to give our answers. And our equal symbol looks similar to subtraction, but instead of one line, it's two. And we spell equals E-Q-U-A-L-S. Excellent, guys. So we now have our 5 mathematical symbols on the board. We have multiplication, subtraction, division, addition, equals. Okay, now let's demonstrate doing one combined operation together. So can somebody give me a 2-digit number? 45. Excellent. 45. And then, can somebody give me a mathematical symbol? Minus, open brackets, and now we will use 13 times, let's see, 13 times 2 equals. Okay, so where do we start, guys? Where do we always start with combined operations? Always start in the brackets. So our first calculation to make, 13 times 2. And what's 13 times 2, guys?
26.
26. Well done. So we can write this answer here below our equation. But are we finished yet? No, we're not finished. we're only halfway to solving our combined operation. We have the first answer, 13 times 2 equals 26. But what's the next step in our calculation we need to do? We have to go from 45 minus 26. And what does 45 minus 26 equal, guys? I'll give you a few moments. Not 39. Let's do together. 45 minus
19.
Perfect. 19. 45 minus 26 equals 19. So, if we want to answer our combined operation, 45 minus 13 times 2 equals 19. And this is an example of using a combined operation to solve mathematical problems. Excellent, guys. Very well done. And what we've got now is a PowerPoint presentation so that we can review each of the different mathematical symbols when they are involved in a combined operation, and we can answer the questions together. So let's turn our chairs to look at the TV screen, guys. And now let's take a look at our PowerPoint presentation, Combined Operations Review. Combined operations are sums involving various arithmetic calculations. Yes, and we know the 4 different types already. Adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. To solve combined operations correctly, you have to follow the following steps. So step 1, look at the sum carefully. 7 times 40 divided by 5. So, what's the first part of the calculation, guys?
40 divided by 5.
Excellent. Excellent. We always start with the sum in brackets. And 40 divided by 5 equals 8. Perfect. So the next part of our calculation is 7 times 8. Any answers? 56. Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you really sure? Yes. Let's take a look together, guys. 7 times 8 equals 56. So we can say 7 times 40 divided by 5 equals 56. You see, guys, combines operations using different mathematical symbols. Let's do one more combines operation together. Yes. So first of all, let's look at the sum carefully. 600 plus 5 times 3. Okay, so the first part of the sum we need to do equals 15. 5 times 3 equals 15. But that's only halfway to solving our operation. Next, we have to add 600.
15 equals 350.
Excellent. You see how we do the calculation for the first figure, and then we add it to the remaining figure. 600 plus 15 equals 615. So we can say 600 plus 5 times 3 equals 615. Now you are doing combined operations. Excellent, guys. Very well done. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the PowerPoint presentation to give them a review and a reminder of how to do combined operations. And our students here all did a great job. And we're going to have a flash activity soon too, so they can further demonstrate their understanding. But for now, it's time for our stretch sequence, guys. So let's stand up and push in our chairs. And I think for this activity, we'll have a game of teacher says. So listen carefully. Teacher says, we can do. If teacher doesn't say, don't do. Okay? Hands on head. Hands on hips. Hands on knees. Teacher says, arms in the air. Arms down. Teacher says, arms down. Arms up. Teacher says, arms down. Teacher says, turn around. Teacher says, turn the other way. And back the other way. Excellent, guys. Teacher says, walking on the spot. Stop. Teacher says, jogging on the spot. Stop. Teacher says, jogging quickly. And teacher says, stop. Teacher says, down into a little wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jump. Teacher says, jump. Excellent, guys. And teacher says, sit down. And teacher says, it's now time for our worksheet activity. So what we'll have to do, teachers, before the lesson, print off the flash sheets and cut the mathematical equations into different strips. Fold them and then place them into a bowl or a tray like this. And then what we'll do, we'll invite our students forward to pick one, and they have to work out their combined operation on the board. So, first of all, I would like to invite Prau to come and join me at the front of class, please. So Prau, can you pick one combined operation? Excellent. Okay, so what can you see, guys? Prau's 20 equals. So Prau, can I hold that for you and you take the pen? And 9 times 80 in brackets, well done.
Divided by 20
Equals. Okay, so our first calculation we have to make, remembering, always start in brackets. 80 divided by 20. What do we think, guys? Prau has written the answer already, or she's about to. 80 divided by 20 equals 4. 20 will go into 80 4 times. So our answer to the first part is 4. Are we finished yet? No. What's the next part of our combined operation? 9 times 4 equals, perfect. Proud, that's excellent. So we can say, all together, guys, 9 times 80 divided by 20 equals 36. Proud, that was excellent. High five and a big round of applause for Proud. So now it's time for our next volunteer. Who can we have to come forward? Let's see. Net, can you come forward, please, and help me? What I need to do first is rub off Proud's combined operation. And Net, can you stand here? And then, can you pick a combined operation? Excellent. So let's see Net's combined operation, guys. 500 divided by 10 plus 40 equals. So the first thing to do, Net, can you write on the board your combined operation? 500 divided by, that's it, not yet, no brackets yet. We need divided by, brackets, excellent, 10 plus 40, close brackets, equals, excellent, Net. So, what's the first part of our combined operation, guys? 10 plus 40 equals 50. Excellent. So, Net, we can write 50 in here. Excellent. And then, onto our next part of the equation. 500 divided by 50 equals, what does it equal, guys? 500 divided by 50. How many times will 50 go into 500? Excellent, Lakgao. 10. 50 will go into 500 10 times. So, Net, you can write 10 there. Excellent. And now we have our answer. So altogether, 500 divided by 10 plus 40 equals 10. Net, that was excellent. High five. Big round of applause for Net. So teachers, you can see the activity that we're doing in our classroom now, and you can play on and pause the video with your own students for around the next 10 minutes or so, up until the worksheet activity. And we're going to play on some more here with our students. So now I'd like to invite Lakgao. Lakgao, come and join me at the front of class, please. So first thing to do, rub the board, and then Lakgao, can you pick a Okay, Lakgao, can you show it to your student? 100 minus 20 times 7. So Lakgao, can you write it on the board?
100 minus 20 times 7.
Excellent. So what's the first part of our combined operation, guys?
100 minus 20
Equals 80. Perfect. So Lakgao, you can write equals 80. Are we finished yet? No, we're only halfway. 80 times 7. What do we think, guys? 80 times 7. Excellent. Lakgao, that is amazing. You can do it by doing 8 times 7 and then adding the 0. So, guys, we've got our answer on the board now. 100 minus 20 times 7 equals 560. Lakgao, that was brilliant. High five and a big round of applause for Lakgao. Okay, and now time for one. We'll have one more student. Pat, can you come and join me at the front of class, please? I'll ask Pat to stand there, and then if you can choose your combined operation. Only one. That's it. Excellent. And then show it to your friends. What can we see, guys? 750 divided by 25 times 2. So first of all, Pat, can you write the combined operation on the board?
750
Divided by, open brackets, 25, 2, close brackets, equals. Okay, so first part of the calculation, always in brackets. 25 times 2. What do we think? Not 54, 50, 50, 50. Yes, 25 times 2 equals 50. So Pat, we can write 50. If you want, guys, another way to look at it, 2 times 25. 25 plus 25 equals 50. Are we finished yet? No. What do we need to do next? 750 divided by 50. So how many times will 50 go into 750? Any ideas, guys? What do you think, Pat? 750 divided by 50 equals 15. Yes, 50 will go into 750 15 times. So Pat, you can write 15. 1, 5. Perfect. So we have our answer now, guys. 750 divided by 25 times 2 equals 15. Excellent, Pat. Big round of applause for Pat. $750 divided by 50 equals 15. Another way to check, 50 times 15 equals 750. So you can always check a division calculation by multiplying it too. But that was excellent, guys. Very well done. And now it's time for our worksheet part of the lesson. So teachers, what you'll need to do is print off a worksheet for each of the students in your class. And as you can see, there are a list of combined operations involving all of the symbols that we've used already. For this review lesson, there is a mixture of multiplication, division, subtraction, and addition. So our students need to read each of the combined operations and answer them in the spaces provided. But what's the first thing to do, guys? Names on top. And give our students around 15 minutes for this activity and help them with anything they need. So Chu, this one's for you. Pat, this one's for you. Nadia, for you. You're welcome. Net, this one's for you. And down, this one for you. You're welcome. Bangpon, for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Prao,
Thank you.
you're welcome. And Lakgao, this one's for you. So let's do the first one together, guys. We have 50 divided by 50 divided by, what do we have? Open brackets. What's our combined operation, guys? 50 divided by 2. 2 times 5. Thank you. Equals. So, what's the first sum we need to do?
2 times 5
Equals
10.
equals 10.
50 plus 10 equals 60.
Be careful. 50 plus 50 divided by 10. Always be careful about the symbols we're using, guys, because we'll do it wrong. 50 divided by, or 50 plus, yes. 50 plus 10 equals 60. Okay. Excellent, Pakbung. So that's the first one done. If you need any help with any others, let me know. Excellent, Lakgao. And don't be afraid, guys, if you need to show your workings out, if you need to do your working out, you can do. Okay. 2 times 5? 5? 5? 10. 2 times 5 equals 10. And then, very good. And then the next part, 50 plus 10. 60. Excellent, down. Excellent, Pakbung. You see, always do the 1 in brackets first. 15 minus 3 is 12. And then 10 times 12. Excellent. You see, you're doing combined operations. Brilliant, Lakgao. Okay, so net here we have 18 times 3. What do we think? Not divided by times. So 18 plus 18 plus 18. $54. Yes, 3 times 18. Okay, that's perfect. Yes, same what I'm doing with net. 18 times 3 equals 54. And then the next part, 54.
54 minus 5 equals 49.
Excellent, Pakbung. You see, we times and then we subtract. Very good. Okay, so 11 times 10. 10 times 10, 100. So add one more 10. 110, excellent, net. So we can write 1, 1, 0. 110. Now divided by 5. So how many times will 5 fit into 110? 5 goes into 100. 22. Yes. Perfect. Welcome back to class. We hope your students enjoyed the worksheet activity where they had to work their way through the various combined operations and answer them using each of the different mathematical symbols. And my students here all did an excellent job, so well done, guys. And that's all we've got time for today. So we hope you've enjoyed this review lesson about combined operations, and in future you'll know how to use them when you see them. But that's all we've got time for now. So we'll see you again next time. Can we all wave and say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Bye bye.